Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at the best bracelet fastener tool on the market, the WIFORT 2-in-1 Bracelet Helper Tool. If you've ever struggled with putting on bracelets, necklaces, watches, or any jewelry with tiny clasps, this tool is here to make your life so much easier. The WIFORT Bracelet Helper is designed with an innovative upgraded concept that combines practicality with user-friendly features. It's crafted from metal, giving it a sturdy and durable feel, yet it remains lightweight and portable. Measuring about 197 mm in length, this extended design fits comfortably in all hand sizes, making it perfect for anyone who finds fastening jewelry a challenge. One of the standout features is the anti-scratch clip and the hideable hook. These details are not just for show, they protect your precious jewelry from damage while you fasten it. The clip's dual sheath design ensures that the metal teeth won't scratch or harm delicate bracelets or necklaces. Plus, when you toss the tool in your bag, the hook tucks away neatly to prevent any accidental scratches on your belongings. The handle features a non-slip design, so it's easy to grip and maneuver, even if your hands are a bit slippery or if you have conditions that make handling small objects difficult. Whether you're fastening a lobster clasp or a zipper, this tool gives you the leverage and control you need. The process is straightforward. Secure the end of your bracelet on the clip, hold the tool steady, and then fasten the clasp with your other hand. It's that simple. Another great aspect is its portability. Weighing just around half an ounce, it fits easily into any jewelry box or pouch. It's also polished for a sleek finish, available in attractive colors like pink, making it a stylish addition to your accessory kit. The WIFORT Bracelet Helper is a perfect gift option as well. It comes with a reusable storage bag, making it thoughtful and practical for anyone who loves jewelry or struggles with fastening small clasps. It's especially handy for seniors, people living alone, or those with arthritis or limited hand mobility. If you want to save time and avoid the frustration that comes with trying to put on bracelets by yourself, this tool is definitely worth considering. It's well built, easy to use, and thoughtfully designed to protect your jewelry and make daily wear hassle-free. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.